Chinese Museum.
This is the Chinese. Can we go to San Agustin?
Yeah, I think that. Ano ba ito? Kalahati? Ha? Kalahati? And that one, the left side, but they call it the Plazuela de Santa Isabel. But it is the monument of Filipino victim during the war, Second World War. Imagine, but more than 100,000 people died. Was burned by the Japanese. You know, the body is burned.
What, more than 100,000?
Yes, during the war, was victim.
Video. Ito, kami naman. We are now at Intramuros.
Intramuros. Intramuros.
You know what means Intramuros?
Huh?
Intra means inside.
Oh, really?
Muros, they call it the walled city.
Oh.
Intramuros means inside the wall.
So where is the wall?
Over there, later I show you.
Oh, okay.
First, I show you Spain House before.
Spain.
But now, but it is the museum. They call it the Casa Manila Museum.
Oh.
And then the right side, San Agustin Church. Aray, mga baraw to.
Yeah, pa. Where is this one? Oh. But what is it? Can we see the San Agustin Church first?
San Agustin Church, yeah.
Oh, it's near.
Because this area, no parking.
Oh, I see.
It's the
Okay,
parking.
okay.
Baraw. Tawa mo na.
The church, yeah.
Hindi mo kasama.